Hi there guys, Mike here from Aux Import. Today we're going to talk about the UNiKA Pro USB. So the Pro USB is, as the name suggests, part of the Pro series from UNiKA. This is a range of DI boxes, splitters, isolators and all kinds of different audio interfaces available from UNiKA. Now, as I mentioned, the Pro USB forms part of this series and you can see it here. On one end you've got a USB-C input. On the other, you've got a pair of outputs on XLR, and it really is as simple as that. You plug the USB straight into your PC or Mac, no drivers are required, and that should then operate straight off the output. This volume knob is only to control the monitor headphone output that is on the end of the unit here. Now, it's also incredibly sturdy, it's solid, and that means it's going to be really reliable to take out on events where things can get banged about a bit. As you'd imagine, you also have your conventional ground lift switch to enable you to lift the earth if you did have any noise issues. So we simply plug it into the USB on the side of the computer or anywhere that it is, and you can see that that comes straight up there as the primary play interface. This is the UNiKA output, and straight away I can now start outputting from those two XLRs. Alternatively, I'll now also show you this on a Mac. So again, this Mac's never seen a UNiKA USB DI of any kind before, so we just plug this straight in here, and if I go to the sound preferences, then you can see that we have primary play interface, the same as we did on the PC. Okay, I hope that was helpful for you in learning a little bit more about the UNiKA Pro USB. There's many other products in the Pro series which you can check out on our website auximport.co.uk, and if you have any questions then please just get in contact with us.